Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be installing this exclusive design all-in-one DRL and turn signal light. Alright, the unboxing. It's as you can see, PY15S, yellow and white. So it's a PY21W placement bulb, okay, for turn signal and the DRL. So this is the warranty card, warranty policy, and the instruction manual. Pretty straightforward. So plug and play, plug and play. But first, let's check out what's inside here. This is some to connect to the ACC, and here we go. Right, this is the daytime running light. I guess the yellow light, which would be the turn signal, and the white light would be the DRL. And this is what regulate the power, the switch back of the from DRL to turn signal. So we'll be installing that right about now. Okay. Alright, so here I have the hood open. This is where I'll be connecting the positive for the DRL light. So this is a fuse box. This is in the hood. So there's some knobs right here. There's one here, and one on the side. So all I need to do is push and up and wiggle it off. Right? And this shows you what all fuse are for. Right? But what I need is a ACC fuse outlet or wire harness, so I can be able to get the positive from that to run the DRL. Alright, so when the car starts, the DRL comes on. Alright, then beyond this is a fuse section as well. Two more knobs, one here, pull out, and again wiggle it off. Alright, now we have access to this section, this side of fuse. So we'll be testing for positive when the engine is on. Yeah, I have my voltmeter here. I'll be turning to 20 DC so I can know the current that's coming out. First, I'm going to do a test to make sure that I'm not getting any power from this when the engine is off. So you can see, oh wait, nah. Right, I'll be testing. So this is my ground, so I'll put it on the ground on the battery. Then my live will go in these outlets, so I could test to see what is what. Alright, so I test the first one, nothing. The yellow, nothing. So this indicates to me now I have to turn the engine on and see, recheck these and see the difference. Alright, so I'll be doing that right now. So the engine is now running, so I'll be retesting the same thing that I tested earlier. So once again, negative on the battery, negative, and test, nothing, test, yes, there we go. We have 14.44 volts. So this is where I'll be connecting the DRL. So right in this pin, in this hold on, let me show you guys. Yeah, we connected in this yellow one. There's the ACC, so when the engine turns on, the DRL light will start work. Alright, let me turn this vehicle off. Yeah, so before I do the connection, I'll be removing the indicator light here. Wait, before I do that, I need to test the brightness of it and compare it with the LED. So this is the brightness. Here's the other one. Then I'll be comparing it to this is the halogen. This is the one that comes with the beacon. Just gotta remove this. Turn this way. Turn this way. Hey, this thing is tight. Let's continue to turn. Turn. Okay, here we go. I'll be removing this bulb. I won't use my hand because it's still good. I don't want to buy my gloves, so pull out. Side. No. That is where it's gonna go. So we get in this. This is rubber, able to prevent water from getting inside, so it's very soft. What we need to do is line them up to the hole. Yeah. Pretty snug. Then right, so this get in. Okay. This is nice and snug. I'll be taking up this and water. And monitoring this as well. So next I'm gonna do the connection here. Right, so when I finish, show you guys. Okay guys, I finished my connection. As you can see, the light is on. I'm gonna turn the indicator on and see the change. So that's the indicator, and it's really bright, look really wonderful. I haven't done the other side as yet, but it's the same concept. Only thing I need to do is remove that and install the LED and just plug. So it's a plug and play, so I need to put back the fuse box where it is, close them up, and then I'll show you guys the finished product of everything. Alright?
Give it a like.
So guys, finished product. You can see all right. So make sure guys, give it a like. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe for more. Any comments, can leave it in the comment section. Share this video. Really nice.